What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I want to show you how to delete undeletable files and folders from a PC. So before we look at the method that we're going to look at, I'll advise that you first of all try and restart your PC, and then you delete just the normal way by right clicking on the file and then you hit on delete. So if that doesn't work, go for the second method. Highlight the file that you want to delete, and then you press down shift and hit the delete key, and you'll get this warning of deleting the file permanently. You click on yes, and then just like that the file is gone. And then the third method that we are going to look at is by using a CMD command prompt. So you open a command prompt by clicking on this search box, and then you type in CMD, and you run the CMD as administrator. And then let me just put it down here so that you can see as the files disappear. So you're going to run the following command. Type in del, that is delete, and then space /f space /q space /a, and then space, and then you paste the path of that particular file that you want to delete. For example, you can just come here to the file that you want to delete, and then you can right click and look for copy file, copy as path. But on Windows 10 you just click on it, then press down shift and right click. You'll see this copy as path. You click on it, or you can just drag this file inside this CMD. But for this case, let's just right click and paste, and then you hit enter, and just like that you can see the file disappears. So that's another method. So another method that you can try is by deleting each and every file inside this folder one by one. Let's say this the folder. You open this folder like this. Open another. If you have another folder inside here, you double click on it. You delete these files one by one. If you have a lot of files, just select all of them and delete. Then you come here and delete. You delete this one by one until now everything goes, and then you come here and then try and press down shift and delete key, and then you click yes, just like that, and it's gone. So we are now going to move to how to delete undeletable folder using a CMD. So how you delete a file and a folder using CMD is quite different. So deleting a file and folder, you use different commands. So let's open again the CMD and run it as administrator, and then we are going to run the following commands. Let me just increase this like that. Just write the following command. Write rmdir, just remove the directory. I repeat, rmdir space /s space /q space, and then the path. So we said we can highlight this folder and then you drag it inside here, or you can, let me just right click or press down shift and right click, and you copy as path like that, and come here and copy paste, or control V like that. and then you hit enter, and then just like that you can see the folder is gone. That's how you delete a folder using a CMD. You can also delete a folder using PowerShell. So just click on this search box again, and then you type in PowerShell like that, and we run it as administrator like that, just the way we did with the CMD. So as you open that, also run the following command. Type in the following command: remove dash item. Remove dash item. Make sure that you type in the correct spelling, and then space dash recast. Also make sure that it's the correct spelling. Let me just increase that. Recast space also dash force. So this is like a force delete, and then space. You then right click or just press down shift and right click, copy as path, or you can just drag again, but for this case let's just press down shift and then right click, copy as path, then you paste like that, and then you hit enter. You can see now the file is gone. Now if that doesn't work, go for the following method. Highlight the folder that you want to delete, and then right click on it, go to properties. Here we want to look at permissions of this folder. Maybe it's issues with the permissions. Then under these properties, go to security tab, and then under the group or username, make sure that you highlight the first one. System, you're going to go to all of these ones. You're going to check systems, this one, and then the three of these, or if you have 4. So system, make sure that it is highlighted like that, and then you click on this to change permission. You click on edit like that, and you can see that the column on the deny, all of them are checked. So we are going to untick all of these, untick that, and then still here, go to the second one, make sure that you untick on the deny column, and go for the third one. If it's also ticked, make sure that you untick that, then you click apply and click OK. Click OK and try now to press the delete key on the keyboard, and just like that the folder is gone. Now if that doesn't work, we are going for another option. This time round we are going to use a third-party application. Open up your browser. Probably for this case, let me use Chrome, and then the search box, type in easy use Bitwiper. Check the spelling, is use space then Bitwiper like that, and then you hit enter. Then make sure that it is the official, you are on the official website. Then we land on this page. So we have two options. We have one that you need to purchase, and then we have the free download. So we're going for a free download. Just click on free download, and it is going to take a few seconds to download, and it is done. So I'll close that, then open up, go to downloads, then you double click on free installer, that one, and then you proceed with the procedure. For this case, I'm not going to install because I already have it here. I'm just going to open it up like that. Now this is the page. You go for you see we have 3 buttons. We go for the last one, file shredder. You click on that, and then what we are going to delete is a folder, but if it's a file, click on files. For this case, we are going to delete a folder, so you select the folder, and then you navigate to the location where you have your folder. So first of all, let us try to delete this. You can see that you can't delete. So if we go for our easy bit wiper, select the folder that you want to delete, and then you click on choose, and then you click on shred, and then just like that, the folder is gone. So those are some of the methods that you can use. There are other numerous methods that you can also explore, but these are the most effective methods that you can use. And that's all for this tutorial. See you.